Today marks International Overdose Awareness Day, and just a few weeks ago the latest drug-related death figures were announced for Wales. Sadly, from 2020 to 2021, Wales saw an increase of nearly 44% in drug poisoning fatalities, one of the sharpest increases seen in recent years. A total of 322 people lost their lives due to drug poisoning last year, each one leaving loved ones behind devastated by their loss. We're all someone's daughter, someone's son, someone's somebody.
We know that there is still so much to be done by ourselves, by our partners, by you, to reduce overdose and end drug-related deaths in Wales. Barod promises to continue the fight to save people's lives and to provide people with the environment to start or continue their recovery journey and achieve their full potential.
That's why we're calling for real change. This includes amending certain legislation to allow for the establishment of evidence-based interventions such as overdose prevention centres, to ending stigma against people who use drugs, which causes marginalisation and isolation among the vulnerable population within our society. Enough is enough. People are dying from preventable overdose and drug poisoning every year, both in Wales and beyond, and we need action.
We need change.
Now.